How to stop your Samsung Galaxy from listening to your conversation. Now, in this video, I'll show you how you can stop or disable your Samsung Galaxy from listening to your conversation. This is most probably coming from your microphone access. So, for you to be able to get there, all you have to do first is to swipe down and then swipe down once again so that you'll have access to your Samsung Galaxy settings features. Now, if you do not see microphone access or microphone settings here, what you want to have to do is just to go ahead and choose this pencil icon above and then choose on edit. Now, under available buttons, you should be able to see microphone access. Just simply drag microphone access into these tabs right here and then choose on done. And choose on done once again to confirm. And then, as you can see, microphone access is turned on. So for you to be able to stop your Samsung Galaxy from listening to any type of conversation on your mobile device, is simply disable it and then choose on block. And that's how you stop your Samsung Galaxy from listening to your conversation.